What is up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Richie Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Etoro account. So for those people who do not know Etoro is basically like a stock brokerage. It means that if you create an account in Etoro, you guys can buy and sell stocks and trade. So basically let me read a better line of its Wikipedia so you guys can get a better understanding of what Etoro is. Etoro is an Israel social trading and multi-asset brokerage company that focuses on providing financial and copy trading service such as Forex and crypto, which means you guys can trade Forex and crypto. So that's basically like it, alright? So basically you guys can understand it as like a crypto trading platform. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And it's me, Richie Kevin. Let's move on, shall we? First step, you want to search for Etoro Login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Etoro Login over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of Etoro. So over here, you can enter your username or your email. So over here, I'm entering my username. After entering your username, you need to enter your password. Now remember, I'm entering my username, but if you want to enter your password, you can do that as well. It depends on whatever you want to enter. After you do that, you just click on sign in, and if the information entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Etoro account. And if you created your Etoro account using your Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID, you need to go below this R over here and you need to click on the option, whichever option you used. After you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter your Facebook or your Apple ID or your Google information. After that, you should be able to log in into your Etoro account. Well, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Etoro account. Hope you guys were able to understand the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. And yeah, if you guys have not yet created a Etoro account, you can scroll a bit down and you can click on where it says sign up, where it says don't have an account. Alright, and you guys can sign up for Etoro as well.